Welcome to day 3 of our 30-day English speaking course. You're doing great, and I'm really proud of your progress. In the last 2 lessons, you learned how to greet people and how to talk about yourself. Now let's move one step further. Today's topic is everyday questions and small talk. You'll learn how to start and continue short conversations in English, the kind of conversations people have every day. This is important if you want to sound more natural and confident when speaking English. Part 1. What is small talk? Small talk is a short, polite conversation about simple topics. You use small talk when you meet someone new, in social situations like waiting in line or riding an elevator, before starting a meeting or class. It's not deep or serious, just friendly and casual. Part 2. Common everyday questions. Let's learn some simple, common questions you can use in daily conversation. Repeat after me. How are you? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? How's the weather? What time is it? Do you live around here? Do you have any brothers or sisters? These are easy, friendly ways to start talking to someone. Let's practice with short answers. How are you? I'm good, thanks. What's your name? My name is Sam. Where are you from? I'm from Turkey. What do you do? I work in a bank. Now you try. Part 3. Talking about the weather. Talking about the weather is a great way to start a conversation. It's simple and common. Say these with me. It's a beautiful day today. It's so hot outside. Looks like it's going to rain. It's really cold this morning. The weather is perfect. You can also ask, how's the weather? Do you like rainy days? Is it hot where you live? Try to describe the weather where you are right now. Part 4. Asking about someone's day. Another good small talk topic is someone's day. Here are some useful questions. How's your day going? What did you do today? Are you having a busy day? Did you sleep well? How was your weekend? And responses? It's going well, thanks. I'm a bit tired, but I'm okay. I had a great weekend. I've been busy today. Repeat after me. How's your day going? It's going well, thanks. What did you do today? I went to the market and studied English. Part 5. Talking about interests. After basic questions, you can ask about interests. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you like watching movies? What kind of music do you listen to? Do you play any sports? Responses. I like reading and walking. I love watching action movies. I usually listen to pop music. I play football with friends on weekends. Practice a few of your own now. Part 6. Ending a conversation politely. It's also important to know how to end a conversation politely. Try these. It was nice talking to you. I have to go now, but let's talk again soon. Take care. Have a great day. Repeat after me. It was nice talking to you. Take care. See you later. Part 8. Practice dialogue. Let's practice a simple conversation using small talk. A. Hi, how are you? B. I'm doing well, thanks. And you? A. I'm good. How's the weather today? B. It's really sunny and warm. A. That's nice. So, what do you do? B. I work in a bookstore. A. Sounds interesting. What do you like to do in your free time? B. I like reading and listening to music. A. Me too. It was nice talking to you. B. You too. Have a great day. Now try saying both parts by yourself. Part 9. Bonus vocabulary. Casual responses. Here are some casual phrases to sound more natural. Pretty good. Not bad. Same here. That's cool. I see. Oh, really? Let's use them. A. How are you? B. Pretty good. A. I like playing guitar. B. That's cool. Try using some of these today when you talk to someone. Part 9. Review time. Today you learned what small talk is, everyday questions for casual conversations, how to talk about weather, day, and hobbies, how to start and end simple conversations, extra vocabulary for natural English. Well done! You're improving your speaking skills one day at a time. Quiz time. Please answer these in the comment section below. The correct answers are available in the PDF file linked in the description box below. 1. What is a polite way to ask about someone's day? 2. What can you say to end a conversation politely? 3. Complete this sentence. I like blank. What about you? That's it for day 3. Come back tomorrow for day 4, where we'll learn how to talk about your daily routine. See you soon!